Hi friends, welcome to my channel Admirable Akshara. Today I am going to show you my birthday shopping. I am planning butterfly theme for my birthday party. These are the decorative things for my birthday party. These are butterfly theme foil balloons. This is another foil balloon. And a 9th birthday foil balloon. This is a cake topper. And this is the candles. One more candles. And a 9th birthday candle. Next I will show you my birthday dress. This is my birthday frock. I am going to wear on my birthday. We bought the same frock for my sister too. Next I am going to show you my party wear sandals. These are my party wear sandals. Do you like them? We bought some written gifts from online. Now we are going to arrange them. These are the written gifts. Now I am going to arrange them. Let's start. One is done. Let's start another one. I am done with arranging written gifts for my friends. I hope they like them. Now let's see the birthday decorations. We selected pink and purple combinations for balloon decor. They decorated whole living area with balloons. Wait, I will show you from main entrance. Behind the curtains, can you see my baby sister? She is so cute. Finally, decorations are done. I am ready for the party and this is my birthday cake. I enjoyed dancing with my friends and my sister too danced with us. This is a final look of Butterflytheme birthday decor. I loved it. Finally, cake is ready. We had customized it with some butterflies. Do you like it? Now it's cake cutting time.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
We gave cake, some snacks and juices to my friends. The birthday party is over. I distributed return gifts to my friends. Now let's open my birthday gifts. See, my little sister is helping. Thank you, my family and my dear friends, for making my birthday special. If you like my birthday vlog, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.